Plant FAQs. Begonia Darthvaderiana x Malachosticta. Begonia Darthvaderiana x Malachosticta, a dark and dazzling hybrid. Hi, Ferbvu here. I'm a passionate plant enthusiast, and today, I want to delve into the fascinating world of the Begonia Darthvaderiana x Malachosticta, a hybrid that's as dramatic as its name suggests. This unique plant combines the dark allure of the Begonia Darthvaderiana with the spotted charm of the Begonia Malachosticta, resulting in a truly captivating specimen. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. This hybrid is a cross between two stunning begonia species native to the tropical rainforests of Borneo. The Begonia Darthvaderiana, true to its namesake, boasts near-black leaves with a contrasting lime-green edge. The Begonia Malachosticta, on the other hand, features vibrant green foliage adorned with raised pink spots. When these two begonias are bred, the offspring inherits a captivating blend of their parents' traits. What can I expect from the foliage? The Begonia Darthvaderiana x Malachosticta's foliage is the star of the show. The leaves are typically a deep, smoky green, often with a subtle hint of maroon or brown reminiscent of the Darthvaderiana parent. Unlike its pure black counterpart, this hybrid might have a lighter green marbling or speckling, a possible influence from the Malachosticta. The edges may also have a hint of the lime green seen in the Darthvaderiana. The size and shape of the leaves can vary depending on the specific cross and growing conditions. Generally, they're medium-sized, oval-shaped with a pointed tip, and have a slightly ruffled texture. Does it flower? Yes, the Begonia Darthvaderiana x Malachosticta does flower, although the blooms are not as prominent as the foliage. The flowers are typically small and delicate, often white or pink, and may appear in clusters. While not the main attraction, they add a touch of whimsy to this dramatic plant. How does it compare to the Begonia Darthvaderiana? The Begonia Darthvaderiana is the undisputed king of darkness in the begonia world. Its leaves are a near solid black, creating a striking and dramatic appearance. However, this intense coloration comes with a price. The Begonia Darthvaderiana is more challenging to care for, demanding very high humidity and being particularly sensitive to overwatering. The Begonia Darthvaderiana x Malachosticta offers a more forgiving option. While not as darkly dramatic, it retains a captivating smoky green color with the added benefit of potentially having interesting speckles or marbling. It's also generally considered easier to cultivate than its pure black counterpart. How does it compare to the Begonia Malachosticta? The Begonia Malachosticta is all about vibrant greens and pops of color. Its leaves are a bright emerald adorned with raised pink spots, creating a cheerful and playful effect. Compared to this, the Begonia Darthvaderiana x Malachosticta leans towards a more subdued and sophisticated aesthetic. The Malachosticta is typically faster growing and more forgiving of lower humidity levels. However, the hybrid might inherit some of the Darthvaderiana's tolerance for lower humidity, making it a potentially more adaptable option than the pure Malachosticta. What are the ideal care conditions for the Begonia Darthvaderiana x Malachosticta? As a hybrid of tropical rainforest plants, the Begonia Darthvaderiana x Malachosticta thrives in warm, humid environments with bright, indirect light. Here's a breakdown of its key needs. Light. Bright, indirect light is ideal. Avoid direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Temperature. Aim for a consistent temperature range between 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 to 27 degrees Celsius. Humidity. High humidity is crucial. Consider using a humidifier or placing the plant on a pebble tray filled with water. Watering. Water thoroughly when the top inch of soil feels dry. Avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Soil. A well-draining, airy potting mix is essential. Consider using a mix specifically formulated for begonias. Is the Begonia Darthvaderiana x Malachosticta easy to find? This hybrid is not as readily available as some other begonias. However, with the increasing popularity of unique foliage plants, it's becoming more common. You might find it at specialized plant nurseries or online retailers. Is it a good choice for me? If you're looking for a dramatic and conversation-starting plant that's relatively easy to care for compared to the pure Begonia Darthvaderiana, the Begonia Darthvaderiana x Malachosticta is an excellent choice. It offers a captivating blend of dark and intriguing foliage with a touch of whimsy from its delicate flowers. However, Remember, it still prefers a humid environment, so be prepared to provide extra moisture if your home tends to be on the drier side. Here are some additional things to consider. Growth rate. The Begonia Darthvaderiana x Malachosticta is a moderate grower. Don't expect it to explode overnight, but it should steadily put out new leaves with proper care. Fertilizing. During its active growing season, usually spring and summer, a light application of a balanced fertilizer once a month can be beneficial. However, avoid over-fertilizing, as this can damage the roots. Propagation. This hybrid can be propagated through stem cuttings. Take a healthy stem section with a few nodes and follow proper begonia propagation techniques. Troubleshooting common problems. Leaves curling or turning brown. This could be a sign of underwatering. Increase watering frequency, but ensure the soil is draining properly. Leaves dropping, overwatering, or low humidity are potential culprits. Check the soil moisture and adjust your watering routine. Increase humidity levels if necessary. Pest infestation. Begonia Darthvaderiana x Malachosticta can be susceptible to common houseplant pests like mealybugs and spider mites. Regularly inspect your plant and treat infestations promptly with organic methods or insecticidal soap. Conclusion. The Begonia Darthvaderiana x Malachosticta is a captivating hybrid that offers a unique blend of dark drama with a touch of whimsy. With its relatively manageable care requirements compared to the pure Begonia Darthvaderiana, it's a fantastic option for plant enthusiasts seeking a conversation-starting addition to their collection. So, if you're ready to embrace the dark side of the begonia world, this hybrid might be the perfect choice for you.